I'm going to show you how to turn off your background app refresh. So basically what this is it's going to refresh your apps in the background, meaning that they're somewhat constantly running. If it's updates, if it's getting rid of back data, it's just going to continuously to refresh your apps. But if you want to turn this off, it's real easy to do. So what you want to do is go to your settings, go to general, and then scroll down to background app refresh. What this is going to do is give you all of the apps that are on a background app refresh, and we can go ahead and individually turn these off. Or if you just want to turn it off completely, you can go ahead to the top and go ahead and choose that option. And you can either have it on Wi-Fi and cellular data, or just turn it off completely. So if I were to turn it off, as you see, it's completely off for every single app that's on your phone, even though it slightly looks like they're toggled on, but you were able just to turn them off all at the same time. And to go ahead and turn that back on, just go ahead and choose Wi-Fi or the other option, and then go through it individually and toggle them on and off. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and turn off your background app refresh.